Hello, my name is Choy. I am currently 22 years old and I am from Ipoh, Perak. For my educational background, I finished my primary school studies in SJKC, Poilam. For my secondary school studies, I have completed it in SMJKC, Poilam. And in my sixth form studies, I've studied in the science course of NCS Methodist Ipoh, Perak. And now I'm currently studying in New Media Communication in University Malaysia Perlis. The few languages I know how to talk is English, Malay, Chinese, and also Cantonese. Besides, the few skills I have is Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Photoshop, and also Adobe Lightroom. And some of the examples of my products are shown here. For the full quality of my products, you can click in the link in the description below. For more information, you can contact me at my Facebook, my WhatsApp, or also SMS me at my number. This is all about me. Thank you.